Let me show you in just 2 minutes how to create viral 3D images and turn them into videos. Totally free. To begin, you'll need prompts. I've already added them in the description, so simply copy one from there. Now go to Google and search Nano Banana AI. Open the website, sign in with your Google account, and you'll get free credits. Click on Start Editing, then select Image Edit. Upload your high-resolution photo, paste the prompt you copied earlier, and hit Generate Now. In just a few seconds, your trending 3D image will be ready. To download it, tap the arrow button and it'll be saved instantly. If you'd like to convert this image into a video, search Pixverse AI on Google. Log in, switch to video generation mode. Upload the image you saved earlier and paste the prompt. You'll also find it in the description. Tap on Create, and your video will be ready to go. Don't forget to subscribe and share your results.